Front first? Really? Are you sure?
Yep. Mine. Okay.
It's okay.
It's okay, yeah.
Like this is okay? Okay. From the top of Alaska, I'm riding my motorcycle around the planet to the bottom of New Zealand. I'm calling it the Big Spiral. We're in West Africa, and this is the next day of my adventure. Good morning. So since we're in the Gambia, which is basically the whole country is a river, well, it would be rude not to take a boat ride on the river and let's see it up close. And yeah, basically there's a ton of animals in this river, and it's possible we see hippos, chimpanzees, a ton of stuff. And then after the tour, we're gonna cross the river with a motorbike, and I think, I'm not sure what it's gonna be, like a small canoe pirogue thing. And then we're gonna head back towards the coast. So let's go. How's it going, Smiley? How are you? I'm Eric. Nice to meet you too. Okay. Whew.
I am Smiley.
Yeah.
So we are in River Gambia.
Yeah.
We're going to River Gambia National Park, Chimpanzee Rehabilitation Project. We have them here before in early 90s,
Right.
but they all disappeared
Okay.
because they were enemies to the farmers. Farmers were enemies to them.
Okay.
This is why we lose this species.
Yeah.
We have only 3 islands where the chimpanzees are rehabilitated. A chimpanzee cannot swim.
They can't swim.
They cannot, but they can be in the water up to their chest level. That's African fish eagle.
Oh yeah.
Fish eagle.
Fish eagle.
Yeah.
Oh.
That is the sound I'm playing.
Oh, that's that's your phone. Do they sometimes reply?
Yeah, sometimes they reply. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's looking at us now, you see.
Yeah.
It's listening where the sound is coming from.
But maybe he knows your tricks.
Yeah. There is a baboon sitting up in the palm tree there.
A baboon?
It's some
Oh
palm tree.
yeah.
See it?
Yeah. I always thought baboons were like more ground monkeys, but oh,
Yeah.
there he goes. But they do go in the trees too. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
baboon having a look.
Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, see? It's a monkey sitting there, a red colobus monkey. You see the red
Oh
one?
yeah. There we go. Wow. Oh, there he goes. How many different species of?
We have red colobus monkeys, green velvet monkeys, pata monkeys, and the baboons.
Okay,
Yeah, also with the chimps.
so 4.
Yeah.
Yeah. And a chimp is not considered a monkey?
In other way, no, they are not considered with monkeys.
Okay.
No, because they are different species with monkeys.
Yeah. So this is one of the 3 islands?
Yeah,
with
that's island 3.
chimpanzees? So we have to start looking, yeah? Okay. Well, there were none on that island. So we'll try the next island.
We have baboons in this island,
Okay.
red colobus monkeys, green velvet monkeys.
So can they swim, those monkeys?
The baboons and the red colobus monkeys and the green velvet, they can swim.
Oh, okay.
Only the chimpanzees cannot swim.
Okay,
Yeah,
learn
they
to
are like
swim,
humans. If you don't train them, they cannot.
Oh, you can train chimpanzees to swim?
Yeah, you can train.
Really?
Yeah, if you train it, they will. But
Oh.
if not, no.
Okay. Yeah, maybe humans you have to train to swim too.
Yeah. That's a chimpanzee.
Oh, where? See, it's good I have you here because I don't see anything.
There's a chimpanzee sitting there, inside there. Oh,
The dark shape there?
oh. Come on.
Oh, I see some movement.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, they're swinging in there. Oh. Oh, they're coming. Oh, yeah. Oh, hello. Wow. So cute. Look at that. So chill. It's coming down.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
They're super beautiful. So we see two now, but there's probably more inside.
Yeah, there may be probably more inside, but you know, as I said, they have a lot of food to eat inside.
Yeah, yeah.
So sometimes they don't even care, even when the feeding board is here, they don't care.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
But chimpanzees can be quite dangerous at times, can't they?
Of course they are. This is why they don't allow us people to get closer.
To get on the
We
island,
always
yeah.
give distance because
Yeah.
they jump for 5 meters.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and also wild chimpanzees, they are very aggressive.
Yeah,
Yeah, they can harm you, kill you,
yeah.
because they also like us. If they want to share their DNA, they also hunt some animals to eat.
Yeah.
Likewise, if they have a human being meat, they will eat it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
this is why a park ranger always asks not to get closer. Yeah.
Do they ever try to jump on the boat? Have you ever had that?
No.
No. Okay.
But we always careful about it.
Yeah. You can see the cows over there. They just swam across the river, and they're getting out now. They can swim better than chimpanzees. All right, we are back.
We are back.
Oh, you can hear the mooing. Smiley. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you.
Oopsie. All right. Let's see if we can catch a boat to the other side. Oh yeah, you can see Smiley's boat over there. Smiley. This way? Okay. Hi. Oh yeah. Oh, here? Hello.
Hi man, I like your bike.
You like my bike? Yeah. Oh, thank you.
From Germany?
No, Canada. Yeah.
Oh, from Holland?
Yeah.
So you good, yeah?
Yeah, very good. So boats on the other side, or?
Yeah, no, they are here. So
Oh, which one? This
a
one?
minute, yeah, maybe they will join you with us.
Oh,
Maybe they will
okay.
take you with you especially because.
Okay.
So yeah.
It's maybe hard if the roof is on to get the bike in, no?
Yeah, no, not
Yeah.
hard. They will put it just in front.
They just go put it in? Okay.
But watch out. You can go here.
With him? Yeah. How much?
With your motorbike?
With my motorbike, yeah.
Yeah, you pay 500.
500? Okay. And then I take the bags off.
Yeah, you took the bag off and put them in the.
Yeah.
The bag you take off.
Okay.
Yes, you put them in the boat.
Yeah.
And then from there, then it will be easier to lift it up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Take that one. You want it? So it goes into the side there? I don't know how this can go. You want back first?
No.
Front first? Really? Are you sure? Here, watch this windshield here.
Yes, don't worry. Sandro, now let's lift it up. Lift it up. Yep. Oh, mine. It's okay, yeah.
Like this is okay? Okay.
Come in, sir.
After bring it down.
Okay.
Don't worry.
I didn't expect to be hanging off the side like this.
Oh yeah.
Part of the experience.
He's smiling.
These are the spare ones, so
Yeah, it's fair. If they break, you can't go anywhere.
just take it up and put it on.
Yeah, it's just switch. Yeah. There's some more. I like your shirt.
Oh yeah.
You're a stubborn son.
Yeah.
Hello.
Let's lift it up. Let's lift it up. 2, 3, up. 2, 3, up. Small, huh? Okay. 2, 3, back, huh? Backward. So small. Backward. Good. 2, 3. Now you can start bringing this stuff.
Yeah. Thank you.
Angkut dulu, Mbak.
Do you have change?
Yeah, acuh.
Do you have 100? Thank you.
16, yeah?
Yes. Are you going back?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Smiley.
Yeah,
Appreciate
thank you
it.
so much. You're welcome.
Yeah, it was great.
Welcome. You can just send me the link of your
Yeah.
thingy, then I will follow you.
I will. Sounds good. Thank you. Have a good one, guys. Oh, we made it across. Oh, look at all these egrets here. I didn't expect the bike to be hanging off the side of the boat like that. But hey, the other one went back across the same way, so I think that's just how they do it. Moo! I don't know if I should go to the front or the back of the cow. I got some horns on the front there. Four of them on there. I just stopped to get set up with a map and stuff, and those guys go by 4 guys on a bike. And all very happy about it. Oh, what a beautiful road. Beautiful, beautiful road. Amazing. A little bit overcast now, which is just really helps with the heat. I'm catching them now. Oh, there's 5. There's 5 on there. I thought it was 4. Oh, this is Africa, isn't it? Oh, it's so amazing. Hi. Oh. Hi. Okay, so we're heading to the coast now. Basically, that's where the big population center is. And yeah, you gotta go have a look, right? here. Can you see? To the city here. Yeah, you too.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good if you are.
I'm good.
How's it?
Yeah, good.
And how is your day?
Nice.
So where are you heading?
To the big city. Sarah, how do you say? Sarakuna?
Oh, you're going up to Serekunda. Then wish you good luck.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You're welcome too.
See you. What is that sound? Let's have a little lunch in this abandoned building, maybe. I attract a bit of attention in these towns, so I thought I'd just go outside town and have my Nutella bread. Really nice. Nutella bread. I like it. The bread is so good here too, you know. Like, I tell you, in North America, at these grocery stores, we don't know how to do bread. But then you just go down in like these little towns and they have amazing bread. So yeah, I just don't like the factory bread in North America. It just doesn't make sense to me. But I have to say, I think these tires are quite good in the sand. They seem to hook up a little better, a little less wishy-washy as I make my way through the suburb. So I wonder why the navigation didn't take me down this road. J16. There. Well, when you're in the Gambia, you have to take a float around the Gambia, don't you? Yeah, it is so cool seeing those chimpanzees just out in the wild. It's just, I don't know, I really loved it. I loved it. And actually, maybe my favorite part was probably crossing the river with a motorbike in a boat. Never done that before. So yeah, after we're back near the coast now, and after riding all the way back to the coast, yeah, it's actually, there's so many police checkpoints. I didn't really expect that with the Gambia, but yeah, most of them you can just roll through because they're just, the police officers just chilling on the side, but occasionally you get some military stops and guys with guns and stuff. I'm like, okay, hello. They're all friendly, but yeah, yeah, there's a man with a gun there. Here, let's update the map quick. All right, so there's not a lot of detail here, but basically we just did something like this today. So I guess we are really close to Senegal again, just because of how narrow the country is. And we are back basically at the coast. And we're basically in a little suburb called Sukuta. So I get, it all kind of blends together, but yeah, Sukuta. Now, one thing, like there's AC here, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna turn the AC on because I don't know, I'm a Canadian. I like a colder temperature, I guess. But then they're like, you're using up power, and with this Airbnb, you actually like, because power is expensive here, and so you could really use a lot if you wanted to. And there's like a little counter out there that shows you how much power you have left, because you basically have to buy credits. Here, I can show you this power thing quick. So, this side. So yeah, it already says low credit, and it's flashing 280 there. Well, I started with 500, and so I basically used up half my power in like 3 hours that I've been here so far. So yeah, but I've turned everything off now, so hopefully it should last. They already said they're gonna buy me a little more, and then I can just give them some money and they can do it online or something like this. But yeah, it's I think it's probably more expensive here than it is in Canada, for sure. So anyways, back inside. I don't think it's happening anymore. They've kind of moved to different sources now, but in the past they've been running on these basically what they're called power ships, and it's just these ships that sit out in the harbor. Turkish ships, I believe, run by a Turkish company, and they would just power these countries. And actually a lot of countries through Africa have these. And I started looking ahead, and it looks like Sierra Leone may be an issue in terms of power, because it described it as extreme. They call it load shedding, and I've experienced this in South Africa before. Basically, load shedding is basically a schedule for when the power is going to be on and off. And yeah, so in Sierra Leone, it might be a bit difficult for someone like me who's, uses a computer and things like this. So yeah, that should be interesting in the future here. Yeah, just one thing I'm running into, and it could potentially get worse as I move through Africa. And actually, I noticed this in Senegal as well. I was at this Airbnb, and just staying above where the family was staying. I'm like, and like I mentioned, I always had to walk through their like kind of space to get out of the place. And I noticed I'm like, the lights are turned off all the time. I'm like, why? Do they just like sitting in the dark or something? Like, I don't understand. Well, now I understand, because the power is just super expensive. So the one thing they did have on though was the TV, because the TV was playing the soccer, the football. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I thought it was a cool day, and I hope you think so too. And what should I say this time? Link in the description to see how I got all the way from Vancouver, Canada, to now the Gambia. So I rode my motorcycle here. Anyways, if you're interested, look down there and you'll be able to watch back how I got all the way over here. So anyways, thanks so much for watching the video, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.